Go show Daddy your truck.
Hi, Oliver. Hi, the truck.
Where are you going?
I like this pushing it like sideways. Oliver, are you lost? Do you need your Carmen?
Turn around.
Let's have a rollover.
Yeah, he's doing that.
Bring it over here.
Uh-oh.
Huh? You're caught.
Bring it back, buddy. Can't see you anymore.
Olive, bring it over here.
Come back. You guys doing really well.